It's Millie's first plane ride. We're heading to Bohol for a long vacation. So come pack with us. Let's do this quick. Aside from our luggage, I also pack a separate bag for Millie para sa easy grab of essentials and other things ni Millie during the plane ride and sa airport. So now, let's get everything packed. So here's for another Millie's bag. Diaper, baby wipes, Millie's earmuffs. Di ko pa lang siya nabubuo. Another diaper bag for short trips namin sa Bohol. Milk storage, milk bottles, pump, a fan, pacifier, Millie's brush, this bracelet, Millie's pillow, changing diaper mat, and a kitchen alcohol. So all set for this bag. Let's go for the suitcase. So, ito yung sa suitcase namin. So, half of our luggage is for Millie. So, I make sure na lahat ng kailangan niya pag uwi namin ng Bohol is nandito. Pambahay, Millie's blanket, bath towel, lampens, panlakad, onesies, pajama, and cute beach outfits, inflatable bathtub, Millie's formula, bottle drying rack, a portable brush. This is perfect for travelers. Bonnet and bibs, shoes, clips and headbands, a portable electric fan, socks, bottle cleanser, baby laundry detergent. I also bought Millie's tempura and vitamins, citronella patches, fever patch, Millie's baby wash and shampoo, petroleum jelly, cotton buds, and Zanilla baby oil, Millie's lotion, tiny buds in a rush, after bites and after shots, Salinase, shades, comb, a breast milk storage box. Now, let's go on our side. So, Nell and I are packing light lang. Pambahay, panlakad, swimsuits, underwear, Nell's panglakad, Nell's pambahay, drone for our amazing shots, shades, our bucket hat, my towel. And we're all packed, half for us and half for Millie. Let's go! Let's go, Bohol! Yay!